Rain tapped on the office window as Marvin stared at the old typewriter. He'd inherited it from a reporter who vanished last winter. Tonight, it clacked on its own, keys striking out. "Look under the floorboard." Heart pounding, Marvin pried up the dusty plank beneath his desk. A faded photograph and a single rusted key lay hidden. The typewriter shuddered and typed again. "Truth hides in shadows." Marvin realized the machine was guiding him, not haunting him. As dawn broke, he pocketed the key, ready to unlock secrets that begged to be revealed.